Hi all, welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. I don't think so it was recorded over there, that's why I'm just recording again. I did make a complete video without even starting to record my video there. So as I told you, like we are going to go ahead and in my previous video I had mentioned we are going to go ahead and connect a Bluetooth device that's an Ultra Pro Link Bluetooth speaker with Alexa Echo Dot. So let's start that. And over here you'll be able to see the Echo Dot, and here is the Bluetooth speaker. And in the left hand side, you're able to see the recording of how I'm going ahead and connecting it. So we would switch it off now, and we would switch it on now. So if you see, it has connected. So let's try saying something. Alexa, Simon says Kamal Tech Vlog. Okay, the volume is reduced over here now. So we would just increase the volume. Let me just try doing that. Alexa, Simon says Bulbul.
Bull,
Alexa, Simon says Bulbul.
bull,
Okay. So there, as you can see, the speaker is working now. We have just connected it back on so that it can be as an external speaker, because many of them do ask this doubt, like how do you go ahead and connect a Bluetooth speaker with your Alexa? So this is how you go ahead and connect a Bluetooth speaker with your Alexa device without any problem. So this is my second
sorry,
device.
I'm not sure about that.
So this is my second Eco Dot device. So let's see what happens. I'll just review for some more time. And now we are going to go ahead and make a next video where we'll be comparing a Eufy Genie with the Eco Dot. Uh, both these devices are Alexa based devices, and we will just see how good they work. Okay. I just disconnected that because I wanted to finish the recording over here. Is there And in case you have any other queries regarding this, you could raise a comment down so that I could reply to that. And please do subscribe for the channel for the comparison video, which I'll be posting in coming weeks. Thank you for watching Kamal Tech Vlog. And this is Kamal, and you have a wonderful day.